Welcome to CSEd Week, resources from the SMCOE. In this short video tutorial, we will be highlighting a resource from the San Mateo County Office of Education to help you bring computer science to your students. Today, we're going to focus on one of the SMCOE lending library resources, a Hummingbird kit. Let's see what's inside. Here's the Hummingbird kit. It comes with a user guide that has resources as well as a link on the front of the guide. The link takes you here. On this website, there are multiple resources for the Hummingbird kit. Start by clicking Get Started and selecting the Hummingbird Duo, which is the kit that we have available. Then you'll see that there are resources for programming, building, projects, and classroom resources. We're going to start with Program. I'm on a Mac, so I'll select Mac, and you'll see that there are multiple programming languages that you can use. Java and Python and Arduino are better for older students. For the speed of today's tutorial, we're just going to use the Snap, which is block-based coding. You can install the Snap on your computer, or you can program on the web-based app. To get to the web-based app, scroll down until you find the link underneath the Getting Started video. You can watch that for more resources. And this will take you to a page where once you plug in your Hummingbird, you'll be able to find the robot and start programming. If we go back to our kit, you're going to see that there are multiple components, all of which have labels underneath to show you what they are. The main thing is the Hummingbird board, which is based off of an Arduino board. There's also the plug to plug it into your computer. It's a USB plug. It also comes with various sensors, different kinds of LED lights, servo and gear motors, all of which plug into the Hummingbird board. You can see there's a place for a vibration sensor, for different kinds of LED lights, for the different motors and servos. This is a servo motor. It plugs in with the 3-peg plug, which is pretty easy to get in, but can be a little bit more difficult for younger students. There's also different sensors like this light sensor. They all plug in by inserting the cables into the correct places by pressing down on the tabs. When you're ready to start coding, you can plug in your Hummingbird board and find it on the Snap online platform, and then start coding what you'd like your Hummingbird to do. For this tutorial, we want our servo motor to make something move when the light sensor has a shadow cast on it. So we're going to have the Hummingbird light sensor, and we're going to choose a number. That number was based off of a few different experiments, so your students will probably have to experiment around with these different sensors to get it to work the way they want to. Skipping forward, we have our Hummingbird servo moving in different ways when a shadow is cast on the light. So this is what it looks like. And we decided to have our penguin get startled by a seal. If you'd like to check out a kit or get more information, support, or resources around computer science education, please email Daron, Sarah, or Sandra, or visit our website at www.smcoe.org.